Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and today we're playing with cupcakes. We're actually making graduation cupcakes with cute little caps on them. Perfect for graduation and for those special moments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a large star tip filled with white frosting. I'm going to do a nice one of those big cupcake swirls on top that we all love on Cupcake Wars in the stores, all that kind of stuff. Then I'm going to put an Oreo cookie on top. And then I'm going to do another dollop, which our frosting is actually also going to work as our glue. And we're going to put a square piece of like chocolate right on top. Then I'm going to take, now I've got like an M&M or Reese's Pieces. I'm just going to take a little bit of that frosting. Actually, I might even be able to just do a little bit right here. That is going to go right there on top as that little cap button. And then I've got a fruit roll-up. You could use a fruit roll-up or a licorice twist. I'm just going to take this, I'm going to fold it in half. I went ahead and this is just going to work as that little thing that hangs right off of it. Okay? Again, we're going to use a little bit of that glue from the frosting, and then we're going to let it just kind of hang, just like that. And here you go. Cute graduation cupcakes with a little cap on top. Thanks for joining me. For more information about me, please click on my bio. Thanks.